Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Floral Mutation and Grow Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. So guys, this is a new mutation from this update, and let me show you how the plant with Floral Mutation looks like. I'm going to search for Floral. Okay, this one. Whoa, it's so big. And the floral mutation will give the pink color to your plants. Okay, and if you want to get this mutation, guys, you need to have Orchid Mantis. You need to have this pet. Okay, it can give you the floral mutation and even the gold mutation and also the rainbow. So yeah, just get the Orchid Mantis now, and you will have a chance to get Floral Mutation. And for the Orchid Mantis, you can get it from joining this Evil Bunny event. You need to sacrifice your plant, and if you're lucky, you will get the Orchid Mantis. And in my case, I sacrificed my maple resin to get this Orchid Mantis. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the floral mutation and grow a garden game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.